Let's take a look at MaxOrch. MaxOrch is designed and maintained by Jerome Lesueur and myself, and you can find information about it, the download, and a few other information pages, instructional pages on this website, perblolin.com/MaxOrch. But let's just jump right into MaxOrch. So there's a lot of things on this window, but the main workflow is on the left, starting with 0 and working your way down. 0, setting up folder locations is only necessary the first time you use it. But this is where you tell it where your databases are. So I'm going to use the Orchidea database. And right now it's set to default, which probably means it's not going to find it. So I'm just going to grab it and drop it in here. And now it will remember this on relaunch. So now that that's set, I can go to select my actual sample library, which is Orchidea, and I'm going to use MFCC. For my database type, it loads a little faster, and that's all set. So for instruments, you can create your own orchestra, and we have a bunch of functionality in there, but we do provide some presets here. So, so I'll just use all instruments here, and I'm not going to select a style. If you leave it blank, it'll just use all available styles, which is great. And then I grab my audio file, drop it in here, and it is ready to go. So once that's done, we will have a connection and a bunch of possible solutions. So I can listen to the connection, the target audio file, the original, which is a bassoon multiphonic, and I can listen to the connection. All right, and then I have this set to export a maximum of 10 solutions, and we can see those laid out in this grid here, and we can preview each one. And each one also appears in the score form over here, which can be played by selecting it and hitting the space bar. If I find a solution that I like, I can save it off in a designated folder by first designating the folder here and then saving the last played or the connection. We can also look at the score, and the score automatically grabs the connection, and this is in the Baccaroll form. But if you scroll down, you can grab it from that and bring it into the full score and set whatever parameters you want, do that, and then you can click the instant adjust and change these various parameters, change the tempo, and it will automatically update this. So there's a lot of parameters over here, and we have selected some presets for that as well. Static orchestration, dynamic orchestration has its own presets, but with all of these presets you can create your own and then save them, and it will remember that. There's a lot of other stuff in there, but I'll just leave it at that for now.